Hey guys, this is a video I made to show you how you tune the xARM. So the process goes like this. First of all, you put your arm on your vest and your sled on, and you balance the sled so when it free floats, it doesn't want to fly away from you up front or side to side, as you usually do with any other kind of arm. Once you're there, everything is balanced, you're ready to adjust the arm. Okay? So what we do is we boom down for a few seconds, so we stretch the springs, okay, and we're ready to start fine-tuning the arm sections. First step is to let the sled free float and look at the arm sections, okay. In this case, as you can see, both sections are booming down, so both sections are weak. So we're going to start with the first section. Insert the 5mm key and we're going to start adding tension, okay, until when we free float the sled with no hands, the first section is in about equilibrium position. I need to add about a turn or so to get there, okay. So here you go, I let it float and it sits almost in equilibrium position. It doesn't have to be 100% 0 degree, you know, it could be a little bit upright, doesn't really matter, it doesn't affect the arm performance. So, as long as it sits in 0 degrees, around 0 degrees, first section is done. Then we move to the second section. As you can see, if we free float, the second section booms down all the way. So, we again need to add tension to the second section, okay, until when we free float, both sections sit in about the same angle. So this is a visual test. We look at the sections, if they're roughly at the sitting, when we free float, at the same angle, we are almost tuned and we're going to move to next step. Next step is to boom down all the way and up, okay? Okay? In that kind of speed. And look at the sections, okay? See how they synchronize. In this case, okay, the first section is a little bit late when we boom up. So that means that the second section has more power than it should, okay? Because it booms up first. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove about half a turn and we're going to try again. And now, as you can see, both sections are in tune. So this is the process, the arm is ready to work. It only takes, you know, a few seconds or a minute or so and you're there. So again, to repeat, we start with the first section. When the rig floats really with no hands, we adjust it so it sits around equilibrium. Then, first section is done, we move to the second section and we start adding or removing force depending on how the arm looks, upright or looking down, until visually both sections sit roughly in the same angle. Once we get there, we're almost there, tuned, we do the boom up and down test and we look at the sections to see how well they synchronize. Okay? And depending of which section looks to us weaker, we need to adjust the second section, okay, so they both synchronize as I showed you before. We're not going to do anything to the first section. The first section is always done. We always do that process to the second section, okay. We add force or we remove force until both sections are synchronized and the arm is ready to go. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.